Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com. In today's video, I'm going to be quickly checking out and installing 5.0 Resto's door striker bushing kit designed for 1979 to 1993 Fox Body Mustangs. Damaged or deteriorated door striker bushings can cause several problems, a few of which are annoying rattles, door alignment issues, and an improper seal between the door and the body. All of those symptoms can easily be fixed with these little guys right here, new door striker bushings from 5.0 Resto. In the box will be 2 replacement bushings to service both the driver and passenger side doors. They feature OE grade materials, which allows for proper engagement of the door latch to the striker, and are even the same color as the original bushings. To get things started, open the door and remove the latch striker with a T50 Torx driver. Be careful and move with a little finesse so you don't knock the backing plate into the quarter panel. Remove the lock washer, followed by the latch support bracket. Remove the old bushing and throw it in the trash. Slide the new bushing over the striker and then thread the support bracket back into place, followed by the lock washer. Carefully thread the striker by hand and align it with the residual markings from the washer. If for some reason your striker was not aligned properly, take this time to align it by opening and closing the door. Once you have the striker realigned with the previous markings, tighten down the striker. Finally, apply a thin film of grease to the bushing and you're all finished. If for some reason this is your first time doing this, take your time because trust me, you don't want to have to dig out the backing plate that the latch screws into. Overall, this one is very easy, guys. It should take about 5 minutes per side. Be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already done so. That way you can stay up to date with all the great products 5.0 Resto has to offer. You can pick up this door striker bushing kit from the real Fox Mustang enthusiasts, LMR.com.